Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Elena, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. Today's video is another video within our series. We have been talking about my Tom 90 system and exactly how I use all of the planners within this system. So within the last video, I dived into my life planner and exactly how I use it. My life planner is an hourly undated planner, and it is the very first planner within the Tom 90 system, and I use it in order to help me to stay on top of my schedule. But today's video, we're going to be diving into the very next planner within this system, which is my vertical planner. Now, my vertical planner is an undated 12-month planner that I use in order to stay on top of all of the to-dos in my life. Now, this could be to-dos in multiple areas, like my personal life, my business, and also my church. So really quickly, I want to show you what this planner looked like, because I really don't dive too much into this planner by itself. Usually when I am talking about this planner, I am talking about the system as a whole. So today I wanted to just show you what this planner looked like. And when you first open it up, you do see that I have the monthly plan sheet here. I will use this page in order to stay on top of all of the things, the overview for the month, or I could possibly look at it as my goal page to kind of write down the different goals that I want to achieve for the month. After this page, it goes into the monthly calendar, which is a 2-page calendar. It is completely undated. It starts on a Monday, it ends on Sunday, and you're able to just jot down everything that is coming up for this month. I love that it's simple. I love that it's undated. I love that you are able to kind of really decorate and make it your own. That was a big part of this system. I was really excited to have it to where you can kind of really customize it and make it fit whatever you needed it to fit for your life. After this page, it goes into the weekly pages, which once again is very, very simple. You have your 3 boxes. The bottom box is a little bit longer than the top 2, but I do like having it to where I can keep up with all of my to-dos, and it's just one empty space where I can jot down anything that I need about any subject within my life. So you get 4 weeks that are blank just like this, and then you have your notes page on the very back, and it starts a new month, which starts all over again. So now let me show you how I use this planner within my Tom 90 system. So I have used this planner in multiple ways within this system. I mainly use it to keep up with my to-dos, but as you can see, this month I had my goals here. I also had events, anything that was coming up for home. I had some keto ideas here and things that I needed to purchase. For this month, which was the month of March, I was mainly using my monthly spread to kind of keep up with different events that are going on. And this seems like it was more personal events than anything else. And then I would dive into the actual weeks. Like I said, I have used this planner multiple ways. So this month I was really using it in order to stay on top of everything within my personal life. I would keep track of what I was eating. I would keep track of different events that were going on throughout the week. I also would keep on my sidebar what was coming up in the next week. So I would keep up with health related things like what I was eating, working out next week, and any additional to-dos. Another way that I have used this planner is to keep up with my business side, my business videos, and just different things that I needed to do for work. So as you can see, I have this month, I scheduled out all of my YouTube videos for the month, and then I have all of my to-dos, like different things that I needed to do for social media, different things that I needed to post. I would just keep track of all of that here. So this is mainly my to-do planner. I use this planner in order to keep up with all of my to-dos. I also would use it to plan out different things that we needed to do at home. Like this was for my daughter's birthday party. So just different things like that. I would jump back and forth. Now I am still using it as a to-do section, but I am using it for all of my to-dos. I will mainly break up the boxes by the different subjects that I have going on. So my top box will usually be personal things that I needed to take care of or things for our home. The second box would be things things that I needed to do for church. And then the bottom box would be things that I needed to do for work. And structuring this planner this way has helped me to stay on top of all of my to-dos for the day. So instead of flipping back and forth to different sections, now I have all of my to-dos in one section of my planner, and I am able to easily see what I need to do for work, for personal, for home, and for church within one section of my planner. So I'm hoping that you can see how this system is building on one another. The very first section that we talked about, which was in my last video, is where we talked about my schedule section and how I use this planner. This planner keeps up with all of my appointments, all of my meetings, anything that is going on as an overview, or any of my top to-dos. So these are the top things that I need to complete for a particular day, and this is how I will plan those things out. Just my top to-dos and then my appointments. But when we get to my to-do section, when we get into this vertical section, how I am currently using it, I am dividing up the things that I need to do by the boxes. So I will keep up with everything that I need to do on a particular day within this section of my planner, and it will be work to-dos and then personal to-dos and then things that I need to do for my church overall. So having it all within this one section and not having to flip back and forth does help me to be able to stay on top of just this one section instead of trying to keep up with multiple sections within my planner. And in the past, I would keep separate to-dos. I would keep my personal section and my business section completely separate, and then I would have to-dos that I would have to do for my personal life, and then to-dos that I would have to do for my business, and it would all be within separate sections of my planner. But I decided that it would be easier for me to keep it all in one section and be able to see everything that I needed as soon as I opened up my planner instead of having to flip back and forth. So now that is how I am currently structuring it. I will use the monthly spread in order to keep up with my YouTube videos and everything that I need to post for my business, mainly because I am using my catch-all section in order to keep up with all of the events and top things that I need to do. So now I can keep this section for my business, keeping up with the YouTube videos, and then I can use my to-do section to keep up with all of the other things that I need to do that are not my top to-dos. So my top ones still go within the weekly section of my planner, the hourly planner that I have there. But when I am breaking down and just getting into all of the other to-dos that I have to do for the day, I will keep it within this section. On my sidebar, I am usually keeping up with things that are coming up for the current week or the things that are coming up for the next week. And this has really been working out for me very, very well. And I believe it's really gonna work out for you if you use this system in order to organize your life. Having one section that is dedicated to all of the things that I need for my schedule and having another section that is dedicated to all of my to-dos definitely helps me to stay on top of everything. And those are the first two planners that are included within the Tom 90 planner. And like I said, we are going to go deeper into this system and exactly how I use it, but I did want to share with you the vertical planner, which is the one that is included in this system. If you get the vertical planner by itself, it will look like this. It will come 12 months undated, just like this. However, if you get the Tom 90 planner, you will get 3 months of this planner. And you'll get 3 months of the hourly planner, 3 months of the vertical, 3 months of the monthly, and 3 months of the budget. And we're gonna talk about the monthly in tomorrow's video and the budget planner in the video after that, so that you fully understand each section of this planner. So I hope that this video has helped you. Once again, if you missed the beginning of this series or any of the other videos in this series, I will link it above. And I will see you in tomorrow's video when we are talking about the monthly planner. I will see you all tomorrow, and until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.